Hi there, and welcome. I'm stephstorm. Happy spring, everybody. It's time to turn off the heat, open those windows, and get some fresh air in our homes. In this video, we're going to do some spring cleaning and decorating. So if you want some motivation and inspiration, this video is just for you. Tip number 1. Before you do any spring cleaning, purge and have a yard sale. Whether it's your closets, your attic, or your basement, spring is a great time to get rid of items you're not using. In most cases, it's still good stuff, right? But life happens and circumstances change, so don't keep holding on to stuff you haven't used in a year. Let it go. Having a yard sale is not only a great way to get rid of unused items, but a yard sale is also a great way to make a little extra cash to refresh your wardrobe or home decor. You can feel good about selling things to someone else who needs it and will use it. I know, yard sales can be a lot of work, but they can also be fun too. I find it easier to group items together by price instead of pricing everything individually. And don't make your prices too much higher than the Goodwill. Give them a reason to buy. For example, have a $5 table, a $3 table, or a $1 table. And of course, there'll be some exceptions to that. Place the high big ticket items up towards the front, so that's the first thing people see when they come to your yard sale. Just make a day of it. Now, whatever doesn't sell, don't be tempted to take those things back in the house. Donate to Goodwill or the charity of your choice right away. Tip number 2. Plan and schedule how and when you're going to do your spring cleaning. If you really want to get this done, don't leave it to chance. Be serious by putting it on your calendar. And you want to be specific about each task that you want to get done on each day. You know, spring cleaning doesn't have to be done all in one weekend. You can break it up over several weekends. All of us are busy, and we don't have the energy like we used to either. Tip number 3. Do you live alone? If yes, that's the only reason you should be cleaning alone. But if you have a family, assign each member a task and have them put it on their schedules. After all, you didn't make that mess all by yourself, so delegate. My daughter was in charge of cleaning out the cabinets and discarding expired food. She did a great job. Spring is also a good time to revisit your home organization systems. See if they're still working well for you. If not, make the updates. In my case, I needed a new tea box, something small. When spring cleaning, I like to start with the kitchen in its everyday clean state. My goal for spring cleaning is to give attention to the things that I don't normally get to on a daily or weekly basis. But if there's dirty dishes in the sink and everyday trash in the can, then spring cleaning is going to seem overwhelming because I have to clean those things first in order to get to the other things. Starting with a clean kitchen also helps me to see areas that I need to touch up with paint or make minor repairs. Hopefully these tips help keep you from feeling overwhelmed about your spring cleaning. If you like it so far, remember to press thumbs up. Enjoy the music and watch me clean, or clean with me. But be sure to stay all the way to the end of this video because I'm going to decorate too. After a very neutral, glam fall and winter, I was ready for some cheerful color in my space. So I decided on a beach theme with basically a splash of a two-color combination of coral and aqua. If you'd like to see how this room used to look before in just the neutral colors, go back and check out this video. I will link it for you at the end. On this top shelf, I was going for a coral reef vignette with lots of seaweed and a few sea creatures. And so wherever you see coral, you will see aqua too. By the way, these are decorations that I already had on hand. I've used them for many seasons, but I just keep reworking them in different combinations to give me new looks. I vary the tones of the aqua and the coral too, so that it won't be so matchy-matchy. This salt lamp is $5 from Dollar Tree, and it is heavy. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love things that light up and create some sort of a mood lighting. Well, this light-changing salt lamp plugs into the wall through a USB port, similar to what we use to charge our phones. I don't know about you, but I'm getting like some aquarium vibes from this. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. So this is the look and the feel and the color scheme palette that I've decided to go with for the spring this year. And I may even leave it up for the summer too. I think it goes very nice with my coastal coffee bar. And just in case you missed this video, I will also link this one for you at the end. Well, my friends, thank you for spring cleaning and decorating with me this season for 2022. I post videos on interior decorating, event planning, and lifestyle, so be sure to come back and see me again. If you enjoyed this video, remember to press the thumbs up button. It helps my channel a lot, and it lets me know what kind of content to continue creating for you. And also, if you enjoyed my channel, consider subscribing. I would love to have you as part of our decorating family. Well, mission accomplished. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.